Good morning, everyone. Today we will learn that how to register our brand in Amazon Seller Central. There are a few prerequisites to do before we can register our brand in Amazon Seller Central. First of all, to set up your Amazon Seller account, the professional Amazon account, you need to have your company registered in USA on USPTO in any of the states. So, for example, you have filed or registered your company in Texas state through USPTO. So that now you have the company, you have the company number, right? So you can set up your Amazon Seller Central with all the documents needed to do that. Once you are set up, now you need a brand to launch under your company, right? So you select your brand name. Okay, once you finalize your brand name, then you move on to file that brand name, file the trademark application for that brand name through USPTO or trademark. Yeah, I would recommend USPTO. So once you file the trademark application, you get the trademark application number, not the registration number that you will receive after the trademark is approved. But once you file the application, you get the trademark application number. Okay, save that. Then you develop your brand logo for your brand name. Okay, so now you have the trademark application number, you have the brand logo and brand name. Then you select the product that you want to sell. For example, your brand name is Nike, you want to sell shoes. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to affix or emboss your brand logo and name to your shoes or any of the product. Okay, so your product should be with the brand name or logo affixed on it. You can take few pictures of that. You grab the shoes, grab the product, or place it on the table and capture a few photos from your mobile. Okay, so now you have the trademark application number, you have the brand logo and brand name, you have the product images with the brand name affixed on it. Now you're good to go to submit a brand registry application or brand registry portal. Okay, and so let's move on to the brand registry portal here. But if you have the new Amazon account will give you an option on your main Amazon Seller Central page to enroll your brand in a brand registry. So you can just go there and you can select enroll brand registry and it will take you to this page. Okay, so you select enroll your brand. Okay, so it will take you to this page. You will write down your brand name, you will upload your logo, you will write the trademark registration number or serial number. Check this box, you select the category you are going to sell in. You upload photos you upload photos here. Okay, and then you go there. For example, if I um okay, if I upload the photos again, for example, these are not uploaded, so I delete them and then I again go to upload my photo. So if I do one photo uploaded, okay, let's wait for it to be uploaded. So it's done. You go to the next page, you select your seller. Okay, you select your merchant token, you go next. No brand seller to distributors and no license to trademark. So you just click submit. Once you click submit, it will open the window and it will say that it will take around 21 days to approve the application, but normally it takes only 5 to 7 business days and it will be approved, and then you can have all the perks of brand registry. So this is the very simple process. You just need to have some prerequisites ready, and the process itself is very simple, very smooth, and very short. So it will take around 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes, to register your brand on Amazon. So we will be back with more videos of Amazon related. So till then, take care.